channel. My name is Taylor Bob, and my channel is on lifestyle, health, beauty, and fitness. And I'm super excited to give you guys a life update and just let you guys know kind of what I've been doing this past month of January. So in January, it was my birthday on January 23rd. I had so much fun. My cousins actually came spend the entire weekend with me, the weekend of my birthday. And I also went out to eat with them and also a few of my friends. So I had so much fun. I went eat out to the Ocean Air seafood room, and then me and my cousins kind of chilled, shopped, and did other cool stuff over that weekend. So that was extremely fun. But January has been really busy for me. I did actually move into a bigger apartment, so I have a little bit more space now, which I'm super excited about, and I plan to utilize my new little sunroom for my YouTube videos, so that's always great. And then as you guys saw a few vlogs down, that I did get a new 2020 Chevy Camaro, so I'm super excited about that. I'll be paying my first car note, y'all, this month, and I'm just like, oh boy, don't come, but it's coming because, you know, you got to pay for your stuff. When you buy, you got to pay for it, period. So yeah, so I'm definitely enjoying the bigger space. I feel like I can breathe in this space, and I'm really enjoying the new 2020 Chevy Camaro. I really do love it, and I'm just so excited that God has blessed me with a bigger space and also a brand new car. That was kind of crazy. It kind of happened out of nowhere. I was ready for a new car, and then boom, I made it happen. Outside of that, I've pretty much just been working and also school. I am pursuing my MHA, and I will be graduating in December of this year. So December 2020, that degree is mine. Okay, so I've been working really hard with school. The semester just started back up, and I've already started out with a bang, staying on top of all of my reading, staying on top of all of my assignments. So that's great. But something new, I actually started a podcast. It's called the 9 to 5 CHIC podcast. And that's CHIC, C-H-I-C. And you can find me on Apple Podcasts, you can find me on Spotify, Anchor, Pocket Casts, and more. Pretty much anywhere podcasts are available, you probably can find the 9 to 5 CHIC. So if you haven't checked out my podcast, I definitely do recommend it. I'm helping young professionals maneuver their way through the workforce and entrepreneurship. So I just talk about using your own unique gifts to create those opportunities. I talk about living with intention. I also have a few videos where I'm actually giving resume tips and just little things like that. So the entire month of January, I have been uploading a lot of podcast episodes. So I think I have 6 episodes so far. So that's why I haven't really been focused on my YouTube channel as much, because I've really been on my podcast for this last month. I'm truly passionate about it. So I know that I'm going to get more and more views on my podcast. But thank y'all so much if you have listened to my podcast. And if you did not, it's okay. I'll leave all the links down below so you guys can check out my podcast. Now, February about to be on and popping, so I'm super excited because in February, I'm going to an event this month. I'm going on Oprah's 2020 Vision Tour. I'm super excited, y'all. I love Oprah. I love what she stands for, and she's just a powerful Black woman, so I really do love when I get an opportunity to go to different events like this. But this one I think is the biggest event yet, and I heard it's really cool. I heard it's going to be really interactive. She's going to give us like workbooks. It's going to be an all-day workshop, so I'm super excited to see Oprah. So that's going to be the first time I'm ever seeing Oprah in person. And then also the month of February, I'll be doing the 30-day transformation challenge with Kathy and Luther Freeman. They are 2 virtual trainers. You can also find them on Instagram, and they also do actually train celebrities. So that's pretty cool. So basically, I bought the 30-day transformation challenge. On Black Friday, they had a sale, and it was, I think, like $100 or so. And I just went ahead and I bought it because I've been procrastinating. I've been wanting to do this program for like 2.5 years, and I'm finally freaking doing the program. But during those 30 days, they divide the days up into phases. So tomorrow, February 1st, I'm starting my first day of the challenge, and I'm actually starting phase 1. So for phase 1, I am going to be doing an hour of cardio before my first meal, and then you also have to do another workout, which includes sprints and other workouts. Now, the workouts and the meal plan depends on you, your body type, and which program that you purchase. So everybody will not have the exact same meal plan for the actual challenge, so that's pretty cool. But I'm going to push myself the hardest I can go. I really want to see some abs. I'm really trying to get to Miami and lay down on a yacht with a bikini I mean, that's just what I'm trying to do this summer, okay? But I'm super excited about that, and I'm planning to be super dedicated. I just hope after I do this challenge, I don't get lazy again. But I'm not gonna let myself get lazy again. I'm just gonna have to think of it as a lifestyle change, because fitness overall, it definitely gets challenging. You know, I've been in my phases where I've been on top of the world when it comes to fitness, and other times it's like I have other things like life, such as school, such as work, and then when I get home, I just want to lay down and go to sleep. So I'm super excited about this challenge so I can get my body in order, child. Okay. So basically on this challenge, they do recommend a detox supplement, and they do sell their own detox supplement, but I did not buy their version. I'm actually going to finish up my liverfocus pills by JJ Smith. I was actually been supposed to finish these. People are asking me questions like, hey, what happened to the liverfocus? Are you still doing it? Are you not? So I started taking these. I started taking 2 capsules, and then I went up to 3 capsules, which gave me a really bad headache. So I went back down to 2 capsules, and then I did it consistently, maybe like 2.5, 3 weeks, and then I kind of quit again. There was no specific reason. I just actually stopped taking these. I find when I have like pills I have to swallow, for some reason I always just quit taking it. I don't know. But I do have, I think like I have like maybe half left. I have like half left in here, so I plan to use the rest of this while I'm actually on this 30-day transformation challenge. But I do have an initial video when I first started liverfocus, and then a second video showing you guys the difference in my body with just 1 week. So I'm super sorry that I was not consistent with taking my liverfocus all the way through, and I'm so sorry that it was choppy. But I hope you guys do find the second video very helpful, where I actually show how my body really looked different within a week of taking this. So if you guys want to know my opinion, I definitely think you should try the liverfocus pills by JJ Smith. So I'm going to take these while I'm on the challenge. And then I ordered some Alani Nu BCAAs. And this is basically a powder that you can put in your water or your drink. You're supposed to mix 1 scoop with 8 to 10 ounces of cold water for bold flavor, or you can add it to 14 to 16 ounce for a lighter flavor. I've heard a lot of things about Alani Nu. I heard this was a great product, so I really did want to try it. And I got this one in the flavor Sour Peach Rings. And y'all are probably like, what are BCAAs? But basically they help with muscle recovery, so you can drink this stuff during your workout, or you can take it in between meals. So I'm probably going to sip on it throughout the day, because once I start working out again, my body gets really tired and my muscles get really tired, and it takes long for me to recover after I get back in the gym. So I definitely look forward to this BCAA powder. I think I paid it like maybe $35-ish dollars, and there's 30 servings of this, but it is a dietary supplement. The next thing I got on Amazon was this big old gallon water jug. So what I like about it is that it has your ounces here, it has your milliliters, but it also has your set times of the day to help you finish your gallon of water a day. Now it says like, good morning, hydrate, remember your goal, keep chugging, feeling awesome, don't give up, almost finished, you did it. So this is pretty cool, and it comes in different colors on Amazon. So I just had to have it. And it has this huge straw that can definitely get all of your water. As you can see, it actually curves at the bottom. So I'm excited for this. Ooh, and y'all, it's really big. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be really big, but like once you like see it and you hold it, it's big. They also recommended that you take vitamin C supplements. So I did get the Equate Immune Support Vitamin C. I will be taking 1 of these gummies a day, probably 1. I don't know if it's 1 or 2. What said adults chew 3 gummies daily, but since I'm taking the liverfocus, which I think has vitamins in it, I'll probably just take 1 of these a day during my 30-day challenge. And then olive oil. So olive oil was something that was on my list. You can use this, or you can use, I think, balsamic vinaigrette, whatever you choose. But I chose the olive oil to cook with because I used this before and I really do like it. As far as seasonings, they did recommend Mrs. Dash, so I'll be using the extra spicy Mrs. Dash, and I'll be using the original blend Mrs. Dash. Now both of these are salt-free, so this is why they recommended this. This is supposed to be a healthier option, and we're supposed to be cooking with Mrs. Dash, but I never cooked with this stuff before, so I'll definitely let you guys know how it goes. I also got a bag of lemons because I will be using my lemons to put in my water. Another thing that was on my list was the unsalted nuts. So you can get, I think, any kind of nuts you want, but I just went ahead and got the unsalted peanuts. I'm not a fan of like peanuts and stuff in general, but if I had to choose, I would choose almonds, but almonds hurt my teeth. I don't know if it's because my teeth are like more sensitive without my braces, I don't know, but I prefer peanuts for the moment. And of course, your girl got her apple cider vinegar. Yes, she do. I got my apple cider vinegar, y'all, with the mother. Y'all know how I feel about apple cider vinegar, and I got a brand new bottle, so y'all know what that means. I'm about to do more videos with recipes and bring back some of those recipes. If you have not seen my recipes on apple cider vinegar and how to make this taste better, you better go check out my video because I have some really cool recipes. So I will be also taking this during my challenge. Asparagus. So asparagus was another vegetable that was actually on my list. So you can choose asparagus and also dark green vegetables. So I did choose the asparagus in a can, and also it is the Great Value. I just think Great Value is just as good as any other brand. Not everything Great Value, but for the most part you can get away with Great Value and it'll still taste pretty good. Broccoli florets, boom, here they go. This will be my vegetable of choice for my first phase, days 1 to 6. So next Thursday is going to be my day 6 of eating basically all of these foods that I'm showing you here, but I got the Great Value broccoli florets as well. And of course, can't forget my liquid egg whites. This was also recommended on my meal plan, so I'll probably make some easy little breakfast with this. Tilapia. Tilapia was my white fish of choice. Also the Great Value kind. I used to eat this stuff all the time, so now I'm back on it for the challenge. And also chicken breast was on my meal plan. So I did get the boneless, skinless chicken breast. I like these because they are actually easy to defrost, and also they're very easy to cook and cut. So that's what I like whenever I cook. I like stuff to just be easy. I don't like to be skinning stuff, cutting stuff, chopping stuff. I don't like to do all of that, okay? The easier I can get it, that's how I get it. And then I got some salad because I can have salad. I don't think salad is actually in my first phase. It might be going into the second phase. I'm not sure. But it did say to get some salad. And then I got some meal prep food containers. Now, if you guys need food containers, I do recommend Amazon, but also Walmart. I got these at Walmart for $2.98 for 5 of these, and these are the one that have the 3 compartments. You can get it with the compartments and you can get it without the compartments, but they are extremely cheap and they're extremely durable. So if you need meal prep containers, I definitely do recommend Walmart. So I think that's pretty much it for my phase 1. That's like all the little groceries and everything that I needed to begin my phase 1, but I will check in with you guys on day 6 because I'm pretty sure you guys will want to know how I feel and how do I feel like the challenge is going. Do I feel like it's hard and whatnot? So I definitely will bring you guys another review, but I just want to check in, show my face, say hi, let you guys know that I am starting my fitness journey again and again and again and again and again and again. I'm so tired starting over, y'all, but I'm ready to just slim down this waist. I need my waist to be like this, okay? Well, no, that's like Keisha Kaur, maybe a little wider than Keisha Kaur. But I do want a small waist, and I feel like the only diet that's really made my waist like shrink like I wanted it to was the keto diet. But I couldn't really keep up with the keto diet because I felt restricted from sugar, and I like certain fruits, and on keto you can only have like berries, you can't really have candy, none of that stuff. So I had a really hard time with keto, but hopefully with this challenge I could just do better by just portioning out my meals. But I think it will be a challenge, like eating like 5 to 6 times a day, because I normally eat like 3 times and call it a day. But on this challenge I actually have to eat all throughout the day. But I think my water intake will make it better, and it'll make me feel more full, so I don't have to eat so much at every meal because I don't want to feel bogged down. I definitely want to feel light, you know, when I'm going into the gym. I don't want to feel like I'm eating so much during the day. But that's pretty much where I am, just letting you guys know what's going on. You ladies who have wanted a liver focus review, I hope I answered your question, and I definitely do recommend this product. And that is pretty much it. I will see y'all later. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.